So you want to play CloudBet from the US. Well, that would be against the rules, but if you're going to do it anyways, you might as well do it the safest way possible. Because if you try to use some kind of sketchy VPN or shady programs, you could end up getting your account shut down or potentially even having hackers drain your entire Bitcoin wallet. So in this video, I'll be giving a full tutorial of the safest way to use CloudBet from the United States in 2022 so you don't end up screwing yourself over. Now, this is not meant to encourage anyone to use the platform from the US, because again, that's against the rules, but it's meant to serve as damage protection for you to not lose any of your hard-earned crypto. So we're going to go over the best way to buy crypto, transfer it into the platform, access the CloudBet platform, and then eventually withdraw your winnings safely and securely off of CloudBet. So let's start off with actually acquiring crypto. Now, naturally, you're going to need some cryptocurrency in order to play on CloudBet, and in general, Bitcoin is going to be the best option for you. Now, when it comes to acquiring that Bitcoin, you have a multitude of different options. In general, I personally use Gemini as my cryptocurrency exchange. It's one of the largest and most reputable out there, and it is yet to experience any kind of significant hack. Again, to me, showing me that they are a very secure choice. They also do give you a free $10 of Bitcoin when you do sign up using the link in the description below, which also does help to support the channel in the process. So diving into exactly how to acquire that Bitcoin, you're going to head down to the description below and click on that Gemini link. It's going to take you to this page, which mentions that $10 of Bitcoin offer. At that point, it'll take you through the sign up process, which is pretty simple and straightforward. So I'm not going to spend too much time there. And then it'll take you to your Gemini dashboard. Since I've already got an account, I'll just hop into my dashboard and we'll go from there. So here we are in my Gemini dashboard. Once you sign up, it'll look something like this, except in your portfolio, it'll say 0 instead of $634. So the first step is going to be acquiring some Bitcoin in this account. So pretty simple process to do that. I'm just going to hover over Bitcoin here, click on view details. Going to press buy, how often, once, how much. You could just say $100 or however much Bitcoin you want to purchase. You're not going to check that box. You're going to press continue. And then you're going to press add a bank or a debit card. You're going to have to add some kind of funding source in order to purchase your Bitcoin. Now, debit card is going to be a bit faster. The fees are going to be higher. Bank account, a little bit slower. The fees are going to be lower. I personally prefer bank account, so we'll start there. You're going to use Plaid to link the bank account to Gemini. You'll press whichever bank account you have. Let's say you have a Chase account. And then you're going to securely link your Chase account to your Gemini account so that you can fund your account and start buying some Bitcoin. Once that's done, you'll head back in here. You'll press select payment method and you'll pick the bank account that you linked up. So for me, it's a US bank account. And then we'll just press confirm, and then those funds will be transferred into Bitcoin and deposited into your Gemini account, which you'll be able to see up here. Or if you go into Bitcoin, scroll down, you'll see my Bitcoin. It'll show you how much Bitcoin you actually have. Now at this point, you've got your Bitcoin, but you still need to securely and safely access CloudBet. Now, how you're going to do that is by using something called a VPN. This basically allows you to spoof your computer's location by using an IP address from a different country. So any website you visit thinks you're coming from a different country that is not the United States. Now, there are a wide variety of VPNs out there. Some are higher quality than others. And in general, this is a place where you don't really want to try to cut corners, because if you have a low quality VPN, it could end up leaking your real IP address to CloudBet, at which point they could choose to just close your account, take your Bitcoin, and then not allow you to withdraw it. So you're better off going with a high quality option. Personally, I use ExpressVPN. It's a pretty well-known service. Most people have heard the name before, and they're gracious enough to give my viewers 49% off if they do choose to sign up using the link in the description below. So taking you through that process, you're going to head down to the description, press that VPN link. It's going to take you to this page right here. This is Get ExpressVPN. You'll click on that. You'll see that 49% off offer right here. You're going to scroll down and just get all signed up for the platform. It's a pretty simple and straightforward process. Once you're all set, you're going to head back to the home page here. And then you're going to hover over products, click on Chrome browser extension, and then get that Chrome extension. It's going to be the easiest way to use ExpressVPN very quickly. That's going to show up on your taskbar like this little red guy right here. You're going to click on that. And then from here, you'll be able to select whatever country you want to appear as though you're coming from. So personally, I like to use Canada, Toronto, but you can choose from any other option they have as well. We'll just press Canada for now. It'll turn on, it's connected, and now it looks like I am coming from Canada instead of from the United States. So now I can come back to CloudBet, refresh the page, and press this join button up here in the corner. I'll just go ahead and create my account, and then I'll meet you guys on the inside. All right, so now they're going to send you a confirmation email, which you'll have to go in and click on the link for. So I'll do that and be right back. And now after going through a bit of the sign-up process, you'll be taken to this page where you can actually deposit some crypto into your CloudBet account. So you'll click on use my wallet, and you'll see you've got this deposit address here. You can also click on the deposit button up here to get to this screen at any point. You're going to want to click on this copy button right here. It's going to copy that deposit address for you. And now what we're going to have to do is go back to Gemini and move some of that crypto we bought from Gemini over to CloudBet. So here on Gemini, we're going to go up here and press transfer. We're going to say withdraw from Gemini. For our currency, we're going to say Bitcoin. Continue. For the destination, we're going to paste in that address we just copied. Press continue. For the amount of Bitcoin we want to withdraw, that's totally up to you. For example, let's just say we want to withdraw 0.001 Bitcoin, so about $60 worth. Press continue. You'll press request withdraw, and then those funds will be transferred over to CloudBet. It'll take a little bit of time just because there have to be a few confirmations on the blockchain before that actually ends up moving over, but shouldn't take more than just a couple of minutes. At that point, you'll come back to CloudBet and you'll be able to see your Bitcoin balance right here. So once those funds settle, you can head over to the casino, the sports, the esports, whatever you want to bet on, and just start playing any of the games. Then the last thing to do is going to be to withdraw your funds once you have hopefully won some nice prizes playing the different games available on CloudBet. So from here, you're going to come back to deposit. You're going to press cashier. You're going to press withdraw. And then once that first deposit is cleared, you'll be able to actually make a withdrawal to your Gemini address. So it's going to ask you for how much you want to withdraw and then where you're going to withdraw it to. So for how much, you can just enter however much Bitcoin you want to withdraw from the platform. And then for the address, what you're going to do is come back over to Gemini. This time you're going to press deposit into Gemini. You're going to select your currency as Bitcoin. Press continue. And then here is your Gemini address that you're going to want to copy. And then paste it right into CloudBet when it asks you for the address. Then you'll press continue, you'll confirm it, and then again, it'll take a couple network confirmations in order for that Bitcoin to be moved from CloudBet back over to Gemini. Again, it should only take a couple of minutes. Then you'll come back to your Gemini account, go back to your dashboard, and then you should see that reflected in your portfolio here. So that's going to be the absolute safest way for you to play CloudBet from the United States. Again, we'll have the links for both Gemini and ExpressVPN down in the description and pinned comment below for your convenience, and also allowing you to snag those bonuses if you want to do so and support the channel in the process. Additionally, if you're looking to do any other kind of Bitcoin gambling, I've got another tutorial over here on one of the most popular Bitcoin casinos that you can play from the US, watching that tutorial and following along with those steps. So if you're interested in that, check out that video and I'll see you over there.